show you what I have for breakfast in the mornings. Here, I take some English muffins, some quail eggs, some spinach, some cheese, and make myself a little egg sandwich. So let me turn on the stove, get that part started, and we're going to crack open some eggs. I have a little bucket of water over here in the sink. You can't see that I'm putting my eggs in. Also with the quail egg scissors, I've seen people cut them upside down. You want the guillotine part up. So, and it's your choice whether to put the point in or put the bottom part in. I always put the point in. That's just how I like it. But you want to make sure that this guillotine section is on top, not underneath. Okay? Makes it a little bit easier. I'll just dump it out. So, and I use 3 quail eggs. So now I'm just waiting for my pan to get hot. Mine are pretty simple. Basically just cheese and some bacon. So I have 3 eggs. I don't know if you can see that. Yep. All right. And it doesn't take long for these guys to cook. That's the one good thing about a small quail egg. They do not take long at all. Get the next one ready. This one out. Turn my burner down a little bit. I got a little warm. One thing about them, they cook quick. I'll have my English muffin. I like a piece of cheese on mine. Sliced cheese. I'll go ahead and turn off my egg. I put a little spinach on mine. So there it is. That's my breakfast in the morning. 3 quail eggs, some spinach, and a piece of cheese on an English muffin. Eat 2 of those. There is breakfast.